weird. Also, oh, no, that doesn't say Coke. It just says cola. Ah, that is weird. All right, well, it's Coke with a really cool bottle, glass, can, whatever. I kind of like it. Can you see that? Effie Cola. It's good. Well, it's just... Oh my god, I've been postponing this last one as long as possible. I really don't want to do this. So I promised y'all I was going to eat the bandegi, which is this. And I will show you once we open it. There is no getting around it. It is bugs. It is bugs. It is bugs. It is bugs. And Koreans love this stuff. I don't know why. Like, so the one time I had it was months ago, and I had been drinking. I didn't know what it was. He just said, open your mouth and put it inside, which is, I'll never, ever, ever follow those instructions again for the rest of our marriage. Anyway, but it was nasty, and I swore once he told me what it was, and I looked down and realized what it was, that I was never going to do it again. But for you guys, I am going to do this because I have no idea. So, open it up. I did also, while he's getting it ready, I did have him pour me some wine because I am going to need something to chase this once I've chewed it all up. So, I know it's got, now, obviously bugs are edible. They are high in protein. They have a lot of good... Oh, God. The smell, as soon as he opens it, every time. Oh, God. Can this cure... I looked. I shouldn't have looked. Will this cure, like, Ebola and coronavirus? Oh, God, the smell is so bad.
It's good.
No, it's not. Why is there so much juice? So, can you use... Why get me such a big one? Oh, I'm good. Don't breathe. Why is there so much juice? Okay, don't eat all of them. I have to eat one. I promised. If they watched the end, I would eat one. Oh, dear God. Oh, God. I want to get whatever that juice is off. Alright, you can see I'm not faking it. Oh, please like, comment, and subscribe to my teeny little YouTube channel. And this is also not monetized because I'm too small. So if you want to support us here, we do live in Daegu, South Korea, which is heavily hit by the coronavirus. It has impacted our jobs. So if you want to support us, there is a link in the description below on how you can financially support us. Anyway, oh, don't get so close. They smell so bad. All right. Ha나 둘 셋. Where's my wine?
아이고.
Okay, wine.
One more? One more.
What? One more wine.
Delicious. Delicious. Tell me.
I thought you loved me. No, it is not.
Taste.
Oh, the taste? Oh, yeah, I forgot to tell you guys what it tastes like. So, at first it seems like a bean, like you'd have a pinto bean, that is not salty and has a really bad aftertaste, and it's a little, it doesn't like it doesn't squirt anything too weird or anything. It's not spongy. It's kind of flat, but I cannot for the life of me figure out why Koreans like this so much. I really can't. All right, this is my last one. Oh God. Oh, I need more wine. The wine to say. I don't know how to say wine in Korean. I should. I need to learn that one. I need to learn how to say wine in Korean. I think that's all for me right now. If you like this video, like it. Again, comment. Also let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see. If you want to just see more about the coronavirus here in Daegu. If you want to see more strange videos on my comparison being American versus Korean. There's a lot of differences. And again, also if you want to help support us, there's a link in the description on how you can support our channel. Otherwise, you guys have a wonderful day and see you next time. 안녕.
Bye bye.